Crypto Hope. What? We have green in the market. You wanna know about the last information in the crypto world? Yes, then smash that like button because it's time for crypto news fun on the right, crypto a tope. We are in the green today and we are so happy. So finally the crypto winter is over. It was just a scratch and we have this tool and we are gonna fix it and you're gonna feel that nothing ever happened unless the real situation of our crypto car is this one. Oh my, we'll see about that. We're still in fear, extreme fear, 22 today, but the bubbles are in the green and also the most important cryptos are in the green. You can see here curve down 50% up. Congratulations for all the winners. Also Litecoin, and you can see that the stable coins are the ones that are worse today. So that means money into the market. Bitcoin, that we expected that we could go low as we broke this line, the $15,500, but it always does different, as we say, and it's going up. We'll see now with the resistance of $17,000 if we are able of breaking it or not. Maybe the situation will be going to 17,000 and then start going down again. Be careful with that. Remember, if you want to do your own lines, be an expert trader, you can use a 60% off with some of the Black Friday sales for TradingView, and also you're gonna have 1 free month. Take advantage of that. And if you want to do some of those pro things for free, use Atani, link in the description. Use it and remember to use your 2 authenticator factor because you will be using the app with extra safety. Why are we going up? Again, as always, because of the dollar conditions. If dollar goes down, Bitcoin goes up, and vice versa. You can see yesterday the stock market in United States going up. We'll see about it today. We are with our optimist chart believing that we will have our 4th bull run eventually, but we'll see when. Maybe right now, because Ruth here is sharing with us this chart. Is so similar to 2018, but remember that in 2015 we needed 2 times to break those oscillators and started going up for good. And here Alex Kruger is showing us how similar the situation is right now with 2018, as we are talking about for several months already. You can see the white line, how similar is with the market conditions. We drop on the 18th instead of the 14th or 22 that happened on 2018, but now again we are following the path. So that would mean that around 27th November we will start going down again to that range of $10,000. This is not financial advice. I'm not expert. I have no clue. This is my opinion, but remember that no one knows what's gonna happen, so don't trust anyone telling you otherwise. And as market conditions are very similar to 2018, we have still some differences. For example, if we see this moving average of 20 in the week chart, you can see in the past, in 2018, we dropped for good once broken this white line, but here we didn't broke so hard. So maybe we're not gonna go to the $10,000 range at that fall of 40-something% that we had then. I believe that, but we'll see about it. And also, you can compare both market conditions with the psychological market chart, which is this one, and our friends telling us that we are, as we were in 2018, right now, in some point between anger and depression. So we will go eventually to disbelief, and in the future to hope, optimism, belief, thrill, and euphoria again. Hopefully so. But right now you can see in exchanges they have kind of their halving, and retail people like you and me, they are not trading anymore, and we see a lot of people out of exchanges, which is so smart. And you can use this crypto winter to learn how to use a cold wallet, Ledger Nano S Plus or X. Those are the ones we use, and you can now win $30 and $20 if you just buy the Ledger Nano X or S Plus. So do it, and do it now, because there is a limited number of those sales that will have the $30 in Bitcoin or $20 in Bitcoin attached. After that, remember, you need to learn how to use Ledger Live in order to claim that crypto. Just do it right now. It's free and fun on the ride if you learn with all those courses. Very good. And also, as we're talking about Black Friday, remember, up to 44% discount with Amazon Prime. Buy whatever you want there. You have the link in the description, and you'll be helping indirectly fun on the ride. Thank you very much. Also, if you start listening to books as I do with my cell phone with Audible, link in the description, you help yourself and you help us, which is a win-win. And if you want to give someone a present that is a song personalized one, you have a 20% discount with Fun on the Ride. Fun on the Ride 20 is the promotion code, and you have there the link to the canciona.com where you can buy that song. Back to Bitcoin, 50% of all addresses are now in losses, which is so sad. And this is because of this guy, Sam Sagat. He was found running in Bahamas. I don't know if that's fake news or not. Allegedly also, so sad, because President Biden is no longer following him in Twitter. But remember, past video, that Sam Sagat was the second most important donor for Biden. And now in the G20, they are asking for crypto regulation for good. So this is for the whole G20 meeting. More than that, FTX founder SBF is going to testify in front of the US Senate in December. But we don't care. Why? Because we saw in past videos how he declared in the summertime after Terra and Luna fiascos, and he lied there. So he will lie again, as he might be lying with this. This is a letter he sent to ex-employees of FTX and employees saying that maybe there's still a chance to save FTX. There were a lot of people interested in investing in that Ponzi scheme. So if they finally do that, well, there's a rescue, maybe so, but we don't believe that, not a bit. Also, more troubles we have with the hacker, still dumping 50,000 Ethereum already and still among top 40 Ether holders. So that's not good for the market. And also beware of a lot of scams. You'll find their videos. It seems that Sam Sagat is helping you, but those are other different scammers trying to take your crypto. So be really conscious, beware of scams. The situation is crazy with that. And talking about fiasco, soap opera between CZ and FTX, it's over, but now we have another one with CZ from Binance and Brian Armstrong from Coinbase. CZ published an article saying that Coinbase doesn't hold money enough in order to grayscale to be safe. Genesis, remember all that, we talked about that in past videos. And after that, he deleted that tweet, and Armstrong said, why would you do that, and show that they do have that money? So it's again an attempt from CZ to destroy Coinbase. Now he destroyed FTX, or it's just a coincidence? He deleted the tweet and said, thank you, Brian Armstrong, thank you, Coinbase, let's rebuild this industry together. But of course, you don't trust him, as I do not trust him either. Good news for people in Japan. If they're waiting FTX, they might have money back by the end of year, because they were smart enough to stop everything in time, allegedly. And as I was telling you, crypto Twitter is reacting to CZ and Brian Armstrong, and they are not happy with all this manipulation, neither with Binance being 80% of the whole market. That's not good. We'll see about Grayscale and Genesis and their liquidity with all these fiascos. Coinbase stock were affected, and they are in the lowest in its history, just in this very line. We'll see if this is support for Coinbase or not. And as I was telling you, Binance is now surpassing Coinbase, becoming the largest Bitcoin reserve holder. It's not good, he said, that you are the only in the space, so beware for that. And what can we do as retail? Shall we go to a decentralized exchange? Maybe so, but now we learn that allegedly Uniswap's new privacy policy is saying that it's collecting data tied to users' wallets. So that's not good. It's not good that Mark Cuban is capitulating. He is saying goodbye to some cryptos, but once asked, he said that he's just deleting all the cryptos that weren't following him, but he still believes in the crypto market. Do you trust him too either? Well, we'll see about that. And as everything is a fiasco, now more from regulators in Kenya, a new law seeking to introduce income tax for cryptocurrency traders. Remember, if you want to have a very awesome portfolio and also take care of all your legal responsibilities with the crypto space, the only app for me is coin tracking, is the one I used. Link in the description. 10% discount if you need some of the paid versions. Thank you very much. And if the markets falls, don't worry, just as this guy, it fell in the summertime, it fell again now during the winter. And what are we gonna do? Well, we just keep swimming like the fish as if nothing happened. And the mayor of United States is telling us, not United States, the mayor of New York is telling us that that would be a good idea. Let's listen to him.
And what do you think? Do you think that the city should still be promoting this industry?
Well, first, I believe in technology. The whole thought of using crypto, blockchain, currency, what you call it, cyber wallets. We need to move into this space. This space is coming if we like it or not.
This space is coming, we like it or not. Thank you for that. And also, you can see that's true, because now JP Morgan already has its crypto wallet trademark approved. It will be useful for virtual currency transfer, exchange, payments, financial services, you name it. Also in Brazil, good news for Bitcoin. One of the biggest banks just is custodying Bitcoin for 2023 is Unibanco, and it has 55 million customers globally. That's a huge thing. Good thing will be in the future, as Vitalik Buterin told us, to have proof of reserves in the exchanges. She said, and Brian Armstrong said they agree. And then CoinMarketCap, with the Blitzscaling they have, already launching proof of reserve tracker for crypto exchanges, which is good. You can go to CoinMarketCap and have a look. You will see some of the exchanges with this logo. That means that they provided proof of reserves, but you know that CoinMarketCap belongs to Binance. So who will believe that this information they have here is true? And more than that, that they have truthful information about the reserves of their competitors. That's not something to trust, in my opinion. But the good news is that the new CEO from Disney, he was former CEO in the past, and he's crypto friendly. He was working for the Metaverse and NFT world. So right now, the CEO of Disney is crypto friendly. That's good for sure. And it's good that Cathie Wood is buying already Coinbase stock and GBTC. So maybe she believes the bottom is in already. Abu Dhabi investors meeting with Binance to raise cash for industry recovery fund. Allegedly, remember that Binance now wants to take all those projects that have liquidity problems, and he's finding money in order to absorb the whole industry. He wants to be the next Google, the next Facebook Meta, the next who knows. And also, did you hear that maybe Mark Zuckerberg is going to resign as a CEO of Meta? This is crazy too. And good will be that YouTube finally has its NFTs. Allegedly, that's something that is gonna happen soon enough. Ethereum going up, so we are going to the next resistance in 1,200. But remember that we believe there's a magnet in the 1,000 range that we have to touch sooner or later. Remember, psychology, when Ethereum is at 4,800, we're going to be so rich. When it goes down to 3,500, this is a healthy dip. What tells you your brain in 2,000? There's always a next cycle. And when it goes to 1,000 or below, I should sell here and buy back lower. So be careful with that, because when you do that is the moment that the market can change the trend and you will be froze there. And let's think about adoption. Arbitrum unique addresses are going absolutely parabolic. That's good for Ethereum too. Good for Cardano. It's announcing an algorithmic stablecoin for mined in 2023. Argentina, be careful with this. The fan token dropped 25% as they were defeated in the World Cup by Saudi Arabia. So now we have a speculation with the results and the fan tokens. Be careful with that. We are below $40 billion in the DeFi ecosystem, but Mattel is launching a platform for NFTs. So we can see that this toy manufacturer, huge one, is also into the crypto space right now. If you are living in Spain and you are using the app Bizum, remember that the tax regulators might be looking how many transactions are you doing. Remember, now you can do just 60 per month, and it can go from 1,000 euros day to 5,000 euros totally month. If you do more than that, you might have a fine. So maybe this is something to think about, and maybe using crypto will help you with that. Be careful. Anyway, technology is improving, is being developed. In 2013, our robots were not as good, but then in 2020, the situation is they can jump and they can dance. And that's good, and that's utopic, but it's dystopic believing that these guys can have a gun in their hand one day too. And it's crazy thinking that in Saudi Arabia, they are building this city, which is a floating city. Eventually, this will be in space, but right now, we can have a city in our oceans. Would you live there? Is the eternal cruise. And more about technology in China, you can have a taxi there, which is self-driving, but if you are not a good citizen, according to the government, if you don't have your vaccines or whatever, then you might won't enter into the car. Do you think this is a good thing, or this is a bad thing for freedom in the world? Remember, right now, if you want to watch soccer in China, you are not going to be able on watching the spectators. They are blurred. So people in China don't get that we are not using masks anymore. That's what this guy believes. This is why. And now let's think about both more beautiful things. For example, here, if you want to have a good relationship with your lovely other, or maybe a friend, well, use this ping pong technique. Is the grateful ping pong technique, where you say something you're grateful for, and he says or she says something she or he is grateful for from you, and you are like this, like a ping pong, saying thank you for 3 minutes, and he says that you're gonna be so happy if you do that. So why not trying it? Just try it. And more thoughts for today. You cannot change your destination overnight, but you can change your direction overnight. Think about that, and think how starfish walk in the sea. And remember, never touch them and never take them out of the water, not even in 1 second. They might die if you do that. This is the most disgusting thing you're gonna watch today in YouTube videos. This is a worm. It goes inside a snail. It pretends to be a caterpillar so that a bird eats it and then infects the bird. This is awful, but it's amazing technology from Mother Nature, as this is also crazy Mother Nature in action. Here we have a bubble, a soap bubble, and how it's being frozen and how it creates those patterns, those fractals. Lovely and romantic. This cat is mad, so angry with the market conditions. This guy is telling us some mistakes were made We believe that we will achieve financial freedom, but it just splashes and we are now trapped down there, at least for a little time. And as I always tell you, we are like this with butter in both sides. So the Murphy's law, it doesn't matter how it falls to the floor, it's going to be in the side of the butter. And here is the market, crypto market, just letting us smell our freedom, but not eat it yet. We have to be patient and happy with money or without it, as this dog is just living with happiness this crypto winter. This is so awesome. We have no more time today, but if you want to learn Spanish, you have this very exact same video in Spanish in Fun on the Right, our primary YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. And if you want more in English, then just wait for next crypto news. Fun on the Right, health, money, love, party in peace. Smash that like button, and the best is yet to come.